Hello guys, how to create linked images that update automatically in Excel. So firstly guys, you need this camera tab. So file, more and options and customize ribbon. Here all commands and find out camera. This one. Select it and click on new tab and edit. Then click on OK. So you have this new tab and camera. Now select your data, make changes what you need and select your data and click on just camera tab. Now you see your cursor is changed into plus icon. Click anyway. And if you make changes here, so it will appear here, these changes. So thanks for watching.